Adaptations in desert ecosystems. Plant adaptations. Thick, fleshy leaves or stems store water, allowing the plant to survive long periods without rain. Thick, fleshy leaves or stems store water, allowing the plant to survive long periods without rain. These plants complete their life cycle quickly, taking advantage of short rainfall. Edelweiss cactus stores water in thick, fleshy tissues to survive long periods without rain. Joshua tree has an extensive root system to access underground water. The desert marigold has evolved to survive with minimal water, using deep roots to access moisture from below the soil surface. Saguaro has also thick, fleshy stems that store water, allowing the plant to survive long periods without rain. Animal adaptations. Some animals often have heightened senses, like better night vision, to help them navigate in the dark. Animals dig burrows to escape the extreme daytime heat and maintain a cooler, more stable environment. Some animals obtain all the water they need from food, like the moisture-rich flesh of prey or plants. Fennec fox is an expert on burrowing. Its large ears help dissipate heat and detect prey underground. Kangaroo rat does not need to drink water, obtaining all necessary moisture from seeds. Sidewinder rattlesnake has specialized pits to detect the body heat of prey, useful in finding food in the desert. Gila monster stores fat in its tail for energy during times of food scarcity. Spends much of its time underground to escape extreme temperatures. Animal adaptations. Many desert animals produce highly concentrated urine and dry feces to minimize water loss. Light-colored fur or scales reflect sunlight, helping to keep the animal cooler in the intense desert sun. Some animals enter hibernation during the driest periods, reducing their metabolic rate. During dry periods, the desert toad buries itself in the ground and enters a state of dormancy to conserve moisture. The skin of thorny devil has grooves that channel dew or rainwater directly to its mouth. The jerboa produces highly concentrated urine to minimize water loss. The sand gazelle can survive on minimal water, deriving most moisture from food. The Namaqua chameleon can absorb water through its skin, helping it survive in arid conditions.